Hello, 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 Pip Nation. Stiletto Pips here, live in the market, finishing up my day. Just wanted to bring you a little insight as to what I was doing today. Today, I decided to scalp on the US 30. I didn't do too much with my GU, the British pound and the US dollar today, because I'm already in that trade in a positional trade. So I took a look here at the US 30 during this New York market, and I see that this particular pair made a push to the upside from the beginning of the trading day, and it found support, resistance right here near this 200 EMA, which was about 70.5% retracement from this particular bearish move on yesterday. And so I did not actually get to participate in this whole little drop right here for today. As a day trader, that would have been very, very nice on the US 30. Okay, when I got to this party, price has already come here to a support level and started going up. So I didn't want to just take the trade here because I needed to see a little bit more things happening before I took this buy. And that's because I knew it was actually going to pull back and retest this support area before going up. And so what I decided to do is participate in a sell scalp, which I'm in this scalp right now. I'm up about 36 pips, okay, 30 something pips. And I'm looking to cash out at 50 pips, everybody. So we're going to see how this is going to work out. Will this trade work out? Okay, will it work out? We want to see that my take profit actually gets executed, and I believe we will. I'm only 10 pips away from that happening. So we're going to sit here and watch it happen in action. We're going to watch it happen in action. Most traders, I can't say people, most traders, when they're scalping, they're looking for, 5, 10, 15 pips would be like phenomenal. A scalp to me is like 30, 50 pips. I'm used to going for longer pip moves, mostly positional and swing trades. I just like that. Because I'm doing a lot at home, being that I'm homeschooling my kids. That's the freedom of having the life of a trader. Once you really perfect the skill, you can have more freedom and time to do other things. So I kind of, have a home office with my brick and mortar business, and I trade full time as well as homeschooling my children. And so it works out for me. And I'm super excited, by the way, to announce my new Pip Nation Forex Beginners course that will be rolling out in the next 14 days. So I'm super excited about that. If you have not joined Pip Nation, you want to go ahead and you want to click the link in my bio, or you can click the link to this video to get more information. It will take you to my Pip Nation registration page. Okay, so we're now at 38 pips. Oh my gosh, we're almost there. I'm super excited. And you notice the market, it tends to make these patterns of M's and W's. And so you're going to learn all of that once you join Pip Nation. And by all means, my beginner's course is a free course. Okay, it's a free course. I'm not charging anything, and it's to get you started off on the right track in the FX market, so that you will be in the know to make all the right decisions and get a schedule kind of like going for yourself. So I'm going to share a lot of information with you that I wish someone shared with me to the full extent that I'm going to share with you. Okay, and we're almost there. We're up 40 pips. Okay, 40 pips. We are about to what? We are about to secure the bag, ladies and gentlemen. You can see it right here before your eyes. We are about to secure this bag. We're only looking for a few more pips before we make it to 52 pips. and it is such an exciting thing to experience. It is such an exciting, plethora, an adrenaline, a rush. I love it. You know, this is the life, y'all. This is the life. I get to sit here and do as I please while I make an additional stream of income dancing in these markets, making pimp moves. That's what I do, y'all. Are y'all ready to come and be a part of Pimp Nation? Do you want more of Stiletto Pips? Do you want to dance in the market with me and make pimp moves on a daily, weekly, monthly, or annual basis? It's all up to you. Listen, you do not have to put in hours upon hours on charts, everybody. I know that's what it seems like because that's what most people are taught or that's what they experience. But when you learn my secret TKO strategy, okay, of dancing in the markets, listen, you're not going to have to do that because you're going to learn techniques on how you can set it and forget it. That's right, you can set it and forget it. Whether it's going to be a day trade, whether it's going to be a weekly trade, whether it's going to be a month trade or an annual trade, it's all in knowing what trend of the market you're going to participate in. Yep, that's it. I said it. It depends on what trend in the market you're actually looking to participate in. So if you are a day trader, today, this would have been your reaction, okay? Whether you participate in the London session or the Asian session, that would have been this move right here, okay? All of this movement to the upside happened during the Asian and London session, okay? Here, this is all from New York. This is the New York session. I will teach you how to set up a schedule. There are actually 3 shifts in the market that you can use. Now, primarily, I only like 2. I'm biased. Okay, I have 2 sessions that I'm more biased on, and that is the London and the New York session. I really don't like trading the Asian market because, hey, I have a life. I do other things. And I don't really trade during the London session a lot either. It's primarily the New York session. So what am I saying here? What am I saying is that you actually have a couple of, time frames to choose of when you would like to actually work your investment business in the market. Okay, there are three sessions. I will teach you that in my class. I'll be teaching you, what broker, would be befitting for you as to what is available right now in the industry. And there's not that many brokers, so you better get on this bandwagon. Okay. What else I'm going to be teaching? I'm going to be teaching you, oh my gosh, so much. The right time frames, the different pairs and what pairs are open during what times. I'm going to be teaching you time frame confluence. I'm going to teach you how to properly use the EMAs, moving averages. Our light is up. We're out of there and we've just secured the bag. You saw it right before your eyes, ladies and gentlemen. We secured the bag. Woo, woo! That's right. That's what I do. Stiletto Pips, dance in the market, and we're always making pip moves. Listen, go ahead, click that link right down below. That's right. Learn more of how you can become a part of the Pip Nation movement, all right, and start dancing in the market with me, Stiletto Pips, making pip moves. That is going to be it for now, ladies and gentlemen. I look forward to seeing you in my class within the next 2 weeks. Bye-bye, and as always, happy trading.